second case of pertussis, more commonly known as whooping cough, has surfaced at a Fayetteville elementary school. Ellen Wilborn with the Fayetteville School District confirms a second student was diagnosed with the contagious and potentially deadly disease. The first was announced just before the Thanksgiving holiday. This is now the third confirmed case of pertussis in northwest Arkansas in the past month. The Arkansas Department of Health requires students who have exemptions for the pertussis vaccine or no record of the vaccination to be excluded from school for 21 days from the date of exposure.